And we're here at Final Fear during Christmas with Big J. How are you, Jay?
Hey, doing great. Starting out with a beautiful night, Friday the 13th. We got a few hundred people coming through, and so far everything is going really, really good.
So what gave you the idea to do this Christmas haunt?
Well, you know what? We've been in the business this is our 13th year. We couldn't do it at the Erie County Fair because we had to tear down so they could get ready for the horses coming in. So it's always been in the back of our minds. Disney's been doing it for 25 years, and no one in this area has been doing it. So we finally got the opportunity, located behind Sears at the McKinley Mall in the old Dick's building. We've got 3 awesome holiday haunts going on.
And Santa.
Oh, plenty of Santas, abominable snowmen, elves, you name it.
What's the website?
YourFinalFears.com. Check it out.
And there's a Facebook page too, right?
Yes, there is.
Okay. For Final Fear and District of the Dead, right?
You've got it.
So how has the union between you and District of the Dead been this year?
It's been great. Only our first year, but everything has worked out really well.
Well, we loved the Halloween show. We were here twice, and this Christmas show has been great. I mean, some of the ideas you came up with for Christmas haunts were just wild.
Well, you know what? If you go on the internet, there are a lot of haunted houses that do Christmas-type themes, and it was time to do one around this area. You got to come and check it out for sure. The 3D alone, we totally renovated the whole house, putting in roughly about 34 Christmas-type 3D panels. Just unbelievable artwork.
That's great. All right, well, they have a nice snack bar here, and what are you selling?
We sell pizza, popcorn, and drinks, coffee, hot apple cider. So little snack, little break that you can take throughout. And, you know, all I can say is, as far as the Christmas haunts are concerned, again, it hasn't been done. You got to come and at least check it out and have a good time with your family.
Yeah, we really loved it, didn't we, Amanda?
Definitely.
Do you have a question?
No.
Okay, well, thanks a lot for having us in, Big J.
Okay, you've got it. It's 3 haunts for $15. Can't beat it. Come out. We're open up this weekend, Friday and Saturday. Next weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And the following weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every night from 7 to 11, we sell tickets for $15 each.
Okay, and what's the address again?
The address is the old Dick's building behind Sears at the McKinley Mall.
Okay, Big J, Final Fear, and District of the Dead, everyone.